And in health news now, the State Department of Health is confirming the first human case of bird flu in Louisiana. Health officials say it involves a patient from southwest Louisiana who currently is in the hospital. This is the first presumptive positive case of the H5N1 strain in Louisiana. CDC and state officials are investigating where it came from. The investigation points to the patient being exposed to sick or dead birds with the virus. LDH says the risk of infection is low, but those who work with or are regularly exposed to birds or cows are at a higher risk. We'll keep you updated as we learn more.